Behind me is the Yaris Cross SE. So, itong version na to is with body kits, garnish, and minor upgrades. Right? Tara ikutan natin ha. So, ito yung isang upgrade niya eh, oh. Yung garnish. Yan. Sa fog lights. Kita niya. Okay, yan yung glossy na gray metallic. Yan. And itong skirt na to, yung front na yan, yung buo na yan, ha? Kita nyo? Yan. Upgrade yan. Kasi hindi ganyan yung standard na Yaris Cross S. Okay? So, itong set na to, meron na yung glossy gray metallic dito. Na mga mas lalo nagpapasporty look ng design niya. Right? So, ito pa. This one. Hindi lang siya masyadong halata, pero itong grill na to, this garnish, para siyang grill guard, is another upgrade. Okay? So, instead of buying this garnish and skirt separately, magkakasama na siya dito. Okay? So, if you're planning to avail this via financing, parang na-loan mo na rin lahat yan. Alright? Instead of buying them one by one. So the other side, of course, meron din siyang garnish na gray metallic. Kita nyo? Okay. And nandito yung front sensor niya. Same goes at the other side. So, let's go at the back. Dito sa likod is meron ding garnish. Alright. So, sana nakita nyo, ayan, medyo madilim na kasi it's 4 PM. Itong gray metallic na to, okay, that runs, yan, sa buong bumper dito sa likod. So yan, yan yung mga garnish na mas lalo nagpapasporty ng look niya. Right? Then, this one also. Yan. Yung Yaris S kasi, wala nitong garnish na to. Yan. Nagpapasporty look din yan. 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 And yung spoiler, meron din siyang added design. So sa Yaris S kasi, the standard version is wala siyang cut. Kita nyo ba yung cut? Ito yung cut to. Yan. So yung cut na yan, wala yan sa Yaris S. Actually, para siyang Batman eh. Okay? Kita nyo ba yung edge? Yan. Alright? Alright. Okay, okay. So this is the indicator na SE, itong variant na to. Yaris Cross SE with the HEV badge. It means wala kayong coding, guys. So another minor upgrade for this Yaris Cross SE is yung sound processor nito. Right? So given na meron tong Pioneer speakers, yeah, for the Yaris hybrid, upgraded yung sound processor nito. Alright? Nice. And another upgrade for this Yaris Cross SE is the digital rear view mirror. Right? Yan na. Yung rear view mirror natin, digital na siya. Okay? So, guys, that's the Yaris Cross SE. That's 1,690,000, whereas the Yaris Cross S is 1,610,000. No additional fee if white pearl. So summarize lang natin ha. Garnish upgrades and skirt, sound processor, digital rear view mirror, ambient light. So yun yung mga naging upgrades natin for about 80,000. Yan. Mas makaka-save tayo dyan instead of buying them separately, one by one. Right? That's the Yaris Cross SE. So that's the Yaris Cross SE. Okay? And before I forget, of course, meron kaming trade-in dito. Okay? So sa trade-in namin, by appointment siya. Okay, basta-basta pupunta dito, of course. Set tayong schedule. Ang case kasi dyan, mamaya pumunta kayo agad, wala dito appraisers namin. So, di ba? And guys, visit my YouTube and TikTok. Okay? Marami akong vlog for halos each of Toyota units. So, that's it. Bye. Thank you.